Wait, you're telling me these avatars can actually talk like real people?
Yup. And not just talk, they'll move their lips naturally, like a real podcast.
Wow, that's incredible. How come I didn't know this?
Well, just like it is stated in Ecclesiastes 3:1, to everything there is a season and a time for every purpose under heaven. Today is the time Big Wiz Media will show you exactly how to do this.
OMG, that is amazing. I can't wait.
Want to make multiple AI avatars talk like a real podcast, complete with natural lip sync? Totally free?
You're in the right place.
What if I told you you can also animate multiple AI characters to talk like a real podcast in just minutes and for free? Forget expensive animation tools. I'm about to show you the exact free AI lip sync trick that makes your avatars look like they're having a real conversation. Here's how it works. First, pick or create your characters. Then, drop in your audio or script. It could be a podcast, dialogue, or even your own voice. Finally, with one click, AI does the lip sync for all characters in the scene. No editing skills required. Imagine this, your own animated podcast, talk show, or explainer video, created in minutes and ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else. So if you want to animate multiple characters talking like a real podcast, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial right now. So we will start by creating our characters in a professional podcast studio using Sora. Check the description or comments for the link to the Sora website. Once you're on the Sora website, click on this edit sign here. Alright, if you want one of the characters, or all of them, to look like you or someone else, you have to upload those images so that Sora can use them as references to generate AI avatars. Since I want one of the characters to look like me, I'll upload one of my images. Click on that plus sign, tap on Upload from Device, and go ahead to upload the picture. I'll paste this prompt here. Check the description or comments for the exact prompt used. The prompt reads, ultra-modern, vibrant podcast studio with 2 panels, neon LED lights in pink, purple, and blue, colorful soundproof walls with funky patterns, 2 professional microphones positioned in front of each avatar, animated digital screens with playful graphics, 1 male AI avatar and 1 female AI avatar seated across from each other, both facing the camera with the microphones clearly in front of them. Expressive and lively, as if mid-conversation, natural facial expressions, lip sync, trendy clothing and hairstyles, hands not visible, framed from mid-torso up, fun and energetic vibe, bright and colorful, high detail, cinematic lighting, dynamic and playful, like a real Gen Z-style podcast recording. Click on Remix, and Sora will start generating the characters. Great, the images are done generating. Let's check them. These are not bad. I'll go ahead and download them so we can move to the next stage. Normally, I like to upscale my AI avatar using Canva, so I'll go to Canva and do just that. I'll open Canva, and once everything loads, I'll click on this plus sign here. Click on Upload and upload the image. Now I'll click on Use in a new design. In the menus below, I'll look for Apps. Click on Apps and I'll look for Image Upscaler. Once it loads, I have to select Page so that it will upscale the entire page. Okay, now click on Continue. For the size, I'll scale it to the maximum and click on Export after.
As you can see, we can upscale 2x. So I'll click on upscale and Canva will start upscaling the image. Once it's done, I'll click on Add to Design. Then I'll click on the foreground and delete it from there. And I'll scale this one to fit the entire space. I'll click on Adjust, then Auto Adjust, and increase or decrease the intensity depending on how my eyes are coping with the colors. I always want it to be vibrant. I think this is okay. I'll save the image now. Good. Now that our upscaled image has been saved, let's generate our voiceovers for the two characters. We are going to use Google AI Studio. So I'll open a new tab, search for Google AI Studio, and click on the first search result. Once you're in Google AI Studio, look for Native Speech Generation. In the Native Speech Generation tool, you can generate two different types of voiceover: single-speaker audio and multi-speaker audio. You can generate the conversation at once with the multi-speaker audio, or generate each character's voiceover with the single-speaker audio. I'll go with the latter. I'll select a female voice actor for the first speaker and a male voice actor for the second speaker. I'll write what I want my characters to say and hit Run after. Once both characters' voices are generated, now is the time for us to lip sync our audios with the characters we created early. Once again, open a new tab and search for Lemon Slice AI. Click on the first search result. You'll have to create an account with them. However, I already have an account, so I'll come to Lemon Slice Studio. We are not going to use this particular section. This one is just for lip syncing, not for conversations. Click on the menu here, and then click on Conversations. Awesome. This is the tool we need. Now, click on Update Image to select the one we created earlier with Sora. Just so you know, you can also generate one with Lemon Slice. However, you can select a reference image so it generates a character like you, regardless of the model you choose. I hope they'll fix that in no time. Let's go ahead and select our characters we created earlier. This is the upscaled one, so I'll select it. And tap on it. I have to make sure these boxes cover the faces perfectly. For the audio, too, there are other modules here. For example, you can select music for both of them to sing a song. And with this one, you can generate a very long audio where both voices, like the multi-speaker audio in Google AI Studio, are uploaded, and Lemon Slice will automatically detect both voices and split them for you. But I'm sticking with this one. So first of all, I'll upload the first audio. Okay, I'll click on Select, click to upload, and upload it. Oops, you can't select it because these audios are in WAV format, whereas Lemon Slice does not accept WAV currently. So we have to convert this to MP3 format. Let's do it. Open a new tab and visit this site, vocalremover.org. I'll select the first voice, the female voice. You can trim it, but I'm not trimming this one. I just have to make sure I've selected MP3 and then hit Save. Once that is done, I'll upload the other one, the male voice, and hit Save. I'll come back to Lemon Slice's website and upload them again. This time around, I can select them. So I'll select the first one. Okay, the first one is ready. I'll select it to fit in and click on this Select, again, Upload, and I'll select the second audio as well. Good. And I'll select that one too. These are not necessary, but I'll show you a situation where this will come in handy. Okay, so after this one, we'll generate another one, and I'll show you where this feature comes into play. For now, I'm not going to use any of these. So come down here, and for the model, I'm sticking with version 2.5. I'll show you what's special about version 2.7 later. I'll hit Generate, and our video will start generating. Now, let's generate another one with version 2.7. Here's the difference between version 2.5 and 2.7 beta. With 2.5, you can generate a video of up to 5 minutes, whereas with 2.7, you can generate only an 8-second video. But that comes with full body and background motion, which is super realistic. Good. Now, this is what we are about to do. We are going to use version 2.7. I'll also make sure everything is perfectly aligned. Here's where you select a voice actor. All right, so over here, the first speaker will speak.
Coolest, most beautiful person I've ever. You are the coolest, most beautiful person I have ever met.
I want the first character to speak, so I'll select a male voice actor. And I'll select this character too, a female voice. Good. Now we have to add a script, so add character 1. Okay, I'll type something. I'll type a script instead of uploading an audio. All right, I'll type what I want the man to say. That'll be the first voice for the man. Okay, and I'll select a character. I'll select character 1. Okay, then I'll add another line for the woman. Okay, I'll type what she should say. And I'll select character 2. The voice is up to only 3 seconds. With version 2.7, you can give it a prompt, so I'll give it this prompt. Make realistic hand gestures and head movements while talking. Okay, note we will be charged 116 credits. Now I'll hit Generate and the video will start processing. Watch the results next. If this video was helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and comment. Watch other videos on this channel and tell somebody about BigWiz Media.
So guys, you just learned how to animate and lip sync multiple avatars in one scene.
Thanks for watching BigWiz Media channel on YouTube. Watch other videos here and tell somebody about us. See you in the next one.